Welcome to Relocating to Disney. If you've been watching this, you know that our air conditioner went out a little more than a week ago. Well, the day has finally arrived. The new air conditioner is here, and thank God it's here. So what we've had to deal with is tremendous Florida heat in July. So it's been 99 degrees on the second floor. And on the first floor, it hasn't been quite as bad. We've been able to keep it, around 85 degrees, and that's because we used a portable air conditioner. All right, the guys are here, so let's let them get to work. This is the outside block for the outside air condenser to sit on. Next is the air condenser. This is going to go along the side of the house outside. And if you've seen air conditioners before, this is the box that sits outside with a big fan on the top of it. Makes lots of noise. And he's going to get this out of the truck and then take it over to the side of the house. So this is the outside unit. They put in the new cement pad. This just came in and they laid it down on top of the old one. And you can see right here is the new hurricane straps, which the old one didn't have hurricane straps, but that's what a hurricane strap is. I guess it's supposed to hold this down in case wind tries to blow it off. It's a lot quieter than our previous model, but there you go, there you have it. Now he's getting down the air conditioner, the part that sits inside of our house. This is the metal box that has the blower fan and the coils inside of it. Out with the old. After doing some sawing and cutting and disconnecting, the old unit's ready to come out. Here is the new one, all unboxed. This is the insulated blanket for inside of the cabinet. He built this new base that the air conditioner will sit on. This is the new intake shaft. Now it's time to put in the new air conditioner. Well, the air conditioner is finally replaced. Now it's, I think 95 upstairs. So let's go turn on the air conditioning and cool the house off. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.